No, we consider retrograde planet if it is in Taurus, or it Chalit it is in Mesh Rashi. So we consider Chalit, retro Chalit in Taurus or in Aries.
See what happens whenever we are talking about retrograde planet and or you are talking about Chalit chart, especially in the Chalit chart, don't consider rasis, because a planet is in one Rasi in particular degree, it will be in that Rasi only in every chart. It will not change Rasi. Even if you are looking into the Chalit chart also, it is changing the house. What I told in my example, Tula Lagna, 5 degree Lagna, and after 20 degree, the energy of Tula is going to the second house. Tula is having the energy is in 30 degree. Tula will not consume, that means not uh, make small the energy. It will be in the 30 degree only, but the energy will pass out to second house. So like that also, planet will move to the next house, not to next sign. So you will consider that planet in the Taurus only. But whatever sign Taurus is acquiring, and whatever sign, whatever house is Taurus is acquiring after that house or previous that house, whatever house is that, that planet can move in that houses only. Are you getting me, Giriji?
नहीं सर वो ज्यादा रिजल्ट किसका देगा? जिस हाउस में है उसका, या जिसमें चलित हो गया उसका देगा?
बोथ का देगा. वहां पर क्या है, आई एम सेइंग राशि विल कंसीडर फॉर दैट प्लेनेट एंड हाउस विल कंसीडर to the moved planet. That means most of the time it will give to the result of next planet. But that house also we will consider. Like you can make the partition of 70-30 for an idea, I am saying. And if in Prashna, I told you, in Prashna, if you are getting this kind of thing, after looking into the advanced stage, after moving into the advanced stage, if you will see this kind of things, that particular planet is changing the house in the Chalit chart, there will be the, because you now in that stage you are with the some particular rules.
Degrees, right?
And
Sir.
I am saying you will get the conclusion of that. It is not the part of logics, it is the part of intuition and experience. That's why I am not giving you a
Right, sir.
particular answer. That's why I told you every chart will be different with the Chalit chart.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
That's why I am saying please wait for some time and you will get all the things. Sometime you will see, you will tell to the client. With the Chalit chart, you will say to the client that please don't ask this question for right now. And sometime you will give the answer. Why? Because chart is saying sometime that this is not valid question. Chalit chart, I'm talking about natal chart. Sometimes Chalit chart will tell you, don't believe on this person. There are some combinations. If you make that person as your friend or your enemy, they will harm you.
Right, sir.
This you will look only from Chalit chart. सिर्फ चलित चार्ट ही आपको बता सकता है कि ऐसे पर्सन कौन. Like suppose I am taking one example. So can you see this chart? 21 degree Lagna. In this 21 degree Lagna, is there energy of 5 number sign? This is the 4th number sign in the Lagna. But is there any energy of 5 number sign? Yes, there is the energy of 5 number sign in this Lagna. Now again, any planet, suppose Jupiter is 3 degree. Make D1. Where is Jupiter? It is in the ninth house. Now one can ask me, Jupiter is giving the result of ninth or Pisces or Aries? Because you can see here, this is changing the Rashi. But we say this Bhava Chalit. Why Bhava Chalit? What is the meaning of Bhav? Bhav means house. Bhav means feeling. And what is the energy which create the feeling of the planet? Mostly houses and sign. So that means this Jupiter is not in Pisces. It is in Aries 3 degree. You can see here, Jupiter is in Aries 3 degree only. Can you see? But it is showing in the Pisces. So this is confusion, what to do. That means this planet is coming into the ninth house. Because we cannot change the Lagna house. If this system, if this software will change the complete houses, Lagna will also change now. So person will confuse. So that's why there is the only 4-number Lagna and it is changing the house. So whenever you are looking into the Chalit chart, please make your attention in my what I am saying on my statement. Whenever you are looking into the Chalit chart, consider only the bhavas. Whenever you are looking into the D1 chart, consider the sign and bhavas both. So this Jupiter is having in the 10th house. But concern of that Jupiter is coming into the 9th house. That means there will be the from 10th house, 9th house is 12th. 10th house of profession. Jupiter is there. Jupiter can be boss also. So there can be health issue to the boss. There can be health issue to the father or elder one or problem regarding the profession or the problem regarding the because Jupiter, what is Jupiter? Jupiter is the knowledge. Jupiter is the learning. And when Jupiter's kind of planet will go backside, it can create confusions. Why? Because knowledge, wisdom is going back. Giriji, is it simple to understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Always, whenever I am telling again, whenever you are looking into the D1 chart, consider sign as well as planets and houses. And whenever you looking into the Chalit chart, consider only the houses, not the sign. That will give you the exact answer of that. Now, again, taking this chart. Rashi chart. You can see here Venus 5 degree again. See what is the formula to get it? 21 degree Lagna. Subtract 15 in the 21. It will be 7 or 6. What? 6.
6
6 degree. So that means less than 6 degree. Whatever planet is in this chart will be less than 6 degree. They will move houses. This is the formula to get it. Even you will not click into the D1, you will get the idea that this chart can change the houses. So that's why I pick up Jupiter without looking into the D1 chart. Now you can see for Venus also, because it is less than 6. Now Venus is in the 12th house and giving the result of Taurus, feeling of the 11th house. So what is happening? Someone can have the feeling that he or she is in loss of something, but actually they are getting gain from that. I think this is clear now about the Chalit chart and this D1 or D9, whatever you are saying. D1 and Chalit.
Right, sir. In both in Parashari and in Prashna, the Chalit chart is very important. And there is a difference of Chalit chart also. Someone is Shripati Paddhati and another Paddhati like that. Which one we have to take?
Now there is a secret I am telling to you. I am giving you all. We are learning various yogas in the Parashari system. This is the secret. Whenever you are looking into a yoga where they are talking about the sign, and there are different yogas where they are talking about the houses.
Right.
So when the yoga is talking, the sutra of yoga is talking about the sign, take only the D1 Rasi chart. But if any yoga is talking about the houses, take the Chalit chart.
So this is the simplest form. How can we apply this in Prashna?
Yeah, you will apply in the Prashna also. Just wait. You will apply in that thing in the Prashna also. The same
Yes,
thing.
sir.
Actually, I
This
have
is a
given
beautiful explanation, sir.
Actual, I have given you the answer, but because of something is there which is creating the boundary, you are not getting my answer. But you will get that answer. Don't worry. Okay, Girish.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.